Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are making some yummy and delicious Zingi parcel. They are very cheesy and easy to make. So let us see the recipe. So first, in a pan take 1.5 teaspoon oil. Then to it add half teaspoon garlic and cook it until it gets light golden brown. You don't want to burn it, so be careful. Now add half teaspoon turmeric and half teaspoon red chili powder. Now again, you don't want to burn the spices. You need to cook it on low flame. Now I'm adding some oregano. Then add some paneer cubes. So this is around 250 gram of paneer, also known as cottage cheese. Now cook it for 30 to 40 seconds and coat them well. And then here I'm adding 1 to 2 teaspoon tandoori mayo. So you can use any other mayo. I genuinely like tandoori mayo, that's why I use it so often. Then you need to add salt to taste. Again, you need to mix it properly. Now in a kadhai, here I'm adding some salt for baking. So I've used this salt a lot of times. Place a stand and cover it and then preheat it for 15 to 20 minutes. Now sprinkle some cornmeal and take pizza dough. So this is from my pizza recipe. So I will link it in the I button so you can check it out. Now you need to knead it properly. You just need to follow that recipe to make a dough, and you can also make that pizza. It is very yummy. Now here I have divided the dough into 3 parts. Now you need to roll it out and then fold it into a triangle. And then you need to just apply some water. So this is the most important step. If you will not apply water, it will not stick. Then you will apply pizza sauce. Again, the pizza sauce is in my pizza recipe, so you can again check it out. I'll link it in the description also and on the I button also. And now add the paneer, the paneer that we made earlier. You don't want to put a lot of it, just a bit. Then put some cheese. Now some oregano. Now just wet the sides, like the triangle sides, and then fold it, because otherwise it will the flaps will come off. So you need to wet the flaps also, the triangle corners also. And then here I made 3. And now you have to place it inside the oven that we made, the kadai oven, and you need to bake it for around 40 to 45 minutes. So here I first added three of them, but then it was not cooking. The third one was not cooking, so I removed the third one, and then I was able to cook those two. And I cooked the third one separately. Now after 40 to 45 minutes, your Zingi parcel would turn little gold brown. So then it's done, and your yummy, delicious, cheesy Zingi parcel is ready. Like, share, subscribe to our channel and comment down below for new recipes. Thanks for watching.